Welcome back to Autoverse, the channel where powerful machines, luxury builds, and bold automotive dreams come alive. If you are passionate about unique vehicles, custom designs, and next-level road machines, then Autoverse is the place for you. Before we start, I have a small but very important request. Please subscribe to Autoverse and help us complete our first 1,000 subscribers. Your support means everything to this channel and helps us bring more premium automotive content for you. Now let's talk about the incredible machine you're seeing today. This is a fully customized GMC luxury van, designed to redefine comfort, power, and presence. From the very first look, this vehicle demands attention. The deep red custom paint reflects light beautifully, giving it a bold and premium appearance that instantly separates it from ordinary vans. The front design is aggressive and confident. The GMC grille dominates the face, supported by sharp LED headlights that give the van a modern and futuristic personality. The custom bumper and low stance add a sporty feel, making this van look more like a luxury performance machine than a people carrier. From the side, the long body creates a limousine-like presence. Smooth lines, sliding doors, custom side steps, and large alloy wheels give it a strong and elegant profile. The lowered suspension makes it sit perfectly on the road, offering both style and stability. Now step inside, and everything changes. The interior feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Premium leather seats, soft touch panels, ambient lighting, and executive-style seating turn every journey into a first-class experience. These seats are designed for comfort, making long drives relaxing and enjoyable. Ambient LED lighting sets the mood inside the cabin, while advanced infotainment and entertainment systems keep everyone connected and entertained. This van is built not just to travel, but to enjoy every moment on the road. On the road, this GMC luxury van feels smooth, powerful, and confident. The engine delivers strong performance, highway cruising feels effortless, and the suspension absorbs bumps with ease. Despite its size, driving this van feels controlled and comfortable. This vehicle is perfect for luxury travel lovers, executives, families, road trip enthusiasts, and anyone who values space, comfort, and style. It proves that vans can be just as exciting and luxurious as high-end SUVs. What makes this build truly special is attention to detail. Every element is carefully crafted, turning this GMC into a statement of individuality and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it. And once again, subscribe to Autoverse and help us complete 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. And remember, keep exploring the Autoverse.